Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of decor ideas. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you a collection of old bedside tables revival ideas from outdated to in-demand decor for profitable makeovers. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. When you begin to explore the endless possibilities of revitalizing old bedside tables and bedroom wood furniture, you quickly realize that what many dismiss as outdated, worn, or destined for disposal can actually become a stunning canvas for creativity, storytelling, and profitable reinvention, because each scratch, dent, and faded finish holds a history that can be honored and reimagined through craftsmanship and vision. Imagine walking into a secondhand shop or inheriting an old piece from a family member and seeing beyond its current state, not just as a bedside table with chipped paint or a dresser with dull handles, but as a foundation for something that could embody modern elegance, rustic charm, or even bold artistic flair that resonates with today's buyers who are increasingly drawn to the authenticity of handcrafted, reclaimed decor. The beauty of working with old bedroom furniture lies not only in the ability to transform wood into something stylish and functional, but also in the opportunity to bring sustainability into practice, showing how repurposed materials can reduce waste while adding warmth and character to living spaces. In fact, revitalizing a bedside table is about more than sanding and repainting. It's about seeing the potential in curves, edges, and structure, knowing that with the right imagination and finish, an unremarkable old piece can become a centerpiece in a modern bedroom. Today's buyers crave uniqueness. They want decor that tells a story, that feels one of a kind, and that reflects values of creativity, eco-consciousness, and individuality, which makes revitalized wood furniture not just desirable, but irresistible in the current marketplace. The process of revitalization also teaches patience and resourcefulness, as you learn how to preserve the integrity of the wood while enhancing its appeal, often by experimenting with stains, paints, or mixed materials that align with evolving design trends. For instance, a once traditional bedside table can be given sleek minimalist legs, a natural wood top with a matte finish, or bold geometric patterns that turn it into a chic accent piece, instantly increasing its market value and appeal. Buyers today are not only looking for furniture, but also for pieces that feel personal, artistic, and timeless, and revitalized furniture offers exactly that, an alternative to mass-produced designs that lack soul. This makes each project not only a creative journey, but also a profitable endeavor, especially as online marketplaces and local craft fairs provide ample opportunities for entrepreneurs and DIY enthusiasts to showcase their work. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video? If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. By transforming forgotten finds into treasures, you invite buyers to connect with a piece emotionally, seeing not just furniture, but a symbol of reinvention and sustainable beauty. In many ways, revitalizing bedroom furniture becomes a metaphor for the modern craft business itself. It's about vision, persistence, and the ability to turn what others overlook into something people will pay for, proudly display, and cherish in their homes. Every bedside table you restore is a small act of innovation, and every buyer who invests in it becomes part of a movement that values artistry, sustainability, and originality. The true magic of this craft lies in its versatility, as the same bedside table could be reimagined in countless styles: farmhouse chic, industrial modern, bohemian, or Scandinavian minimalism. depending on your design choices and the demands of the market. And with each reinvention, you gain not only profit but also growth as a creator, learning to balance practicality with imagination, style with functionality, and tradition with modern trends. Over time, these projects build a body of work that sets you apart in the marketplace, positioning you as someone who does not simply refurbish furniture but revitalizes it. Adding layers of beauty and purpose that speak directly to contemporary lifestyles. The appeal is endless because people are always seeking ways to make their bedrooms more inviting, stylish, and personal, and what better way than through furniture that has been lovingly transformed from something ordinary into something extraordinary. Buyers who once leaned toward new, store-bought designs are increasingly turning toward revitalized wood furniture because it gives them the sense of owning a piece with character, charm, and authenticity, qualities they cannot find in mass-market alternatives. This trend creates an exciting opportunity for entrepreneurs and DIY enthusiasts alike to dive into this craft not only as a hobby, but as a serious business venture, one that allows them to combine passion with profit while contributing to more sustainable consumption practices. The journey of revitalizing old bedside tables and bedroom wood furniture is not just about aesthetics. It's about crafting a narrative where simplicity meets beauty, where discarded becomes desirable. And where your imagination leads to creations that elevate spaces while generating income. In a world that increasingly values conscious living, handmade artistry, and meaningful possessions, these projects stand as proof that the simplest transformations can carry the deepest impact, both for the maker and for the buyer. With every revitalized piece, you are writing a new chapter for the furniture, the home it enters, and the sustainable story it tells. And as buyers continue to seek treasures that merge functionality, artistry, and eco-conscious living, the demand for revitalized wood furniture will only grow, making now the perfect time to embrace the endless possibilities this craft offers, turning your vision into creations that people cannot resist, and ensuring that every bedside table or bedroom piece you touch becomes not just a functional item, but a true work of art that blends utility, beauty, and timeless market appeal. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked old bedside tables revival ideas from outdated to in-demand decor for profitable makeovers. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.